Carrera GT just pulled up. What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today, I just showed you, today we have something very special for you. We're out here car spotting in the Galleria, and we have the whole reason I started this channel right in front of me right now. OG viewers will remember it. It is the white Carrera GT. There's only like 3 or 4 of these in the whole world, finished in white from the factory, and Jesus Christ. We're down here in a underground parking garage, just chilling. Next to a Rolls Royce is the legendary V10 from Porsche, the Carrera GT. Please ignore the generator sound in the background and take it in. We've seen this car 3 or 4 times, but just seeing it out in the wild like this in its natural habitat is insane. Can't get enough. Now, if you aren't sure what the car is, if you've never seen one before, it is a Porsche Carrera GT, I think 2002. You can correct me if I'm wrong. It's like an older car, classic, before the 918. And let me tell you, it's one of the best sounding V10s, best sounding engines on the planet. If we do get the lucky opportunity to hear it start up and maybe even see it drive around later today, we're gonna be looking for it the whole afternoon. So after we leave here from this location, we're just gonna go drive around, check out some of the other valets and everything, look for cars, but I doubt anything is gonna top that, and we may even get to see it driving around. And if we do, ladies and gentlemen, that will be legendary. So we're gonna say goodbye to it for now. We've taken our photos, we got a little cool montage of the car. Let's go see what else is lurking around in Houston, Texas this evening. Also hiding in the garage, we got a GTR, and it looks like a Z06 back there. That's pretty dope.
Magenta Challenger.
What?
That is amazing. Nice.
Alright, we got a very nicely spec'd Ferrari F430. I think I hear a 488. Ooh. But we got this F430, this nice gray. Beautiful, classy, elegant. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice martini livery on this GT3 with the license plate liquids. Andrew, this is for you.
That black.
Damn. Ah! We got the white walls on the Impala. We got Kite the Squad rolling around. And we got a 720S with the carbon fiber hood bonnet option. I really like this spec. Me and Drew were talking, it would look better with the black wheels, but it's still a 720 with a lot of carbon fiber, so can't go wrong there. And we got the like slammed Panamera on some funky rims as well with the tinted out headlights. Verlander rims, I don't know, but it's slammed to the ground, baby. And then we got the Forgiato Charger with little yellow bits. CJ so smooth, baby. Big yellow brakes and the color changing lights. Oh, Vanderhall. Rare. That's clean.
This. Oh, I didn't even see that. I thought you were joking.
Random GTR parked there.
GTR now. What's parking, sir? Maserati Gran Turismo in C Stradale.
That's very pretty. Alright guys, this is insane. Just when we thought the night was over, we went to go get a snack, a drink, and we're making our last loop around here. There's been nothing out all day long. We started with the Carrera GT, and now we're gonna end with something almost just as good. I've never seen this car in Houston, probably because it's not a Houston car. It has Florida plates on it. I'm gonna stop snaking it. Check this out. You can't really see it. It's baby blue. I'm gonna show you. Really?
I went over there because I told him, I was like, dude, you know how insane it is?
We've never seen one like out of a.
Yeah.
Like
I've driven everything, but I've never driven this.
Yeah, I mean they just came out. Yeah. That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh, it is.
Oh, it is. Oh, sick.
No one knows who it
Is he here right now?
Yeah.
Damn.
So Justin Verlander's Ford GT. I did not even know that this was like a car that was existing. Jesus. Wow. The headlights, everything looks so crazy. I would never expect to see this like anywhere, especially in Houston. But the luck is on our side tonight. My God. Everything on this car is so insane. Alright, the guys were telling us to leave, but we got a Gallardo Performante on the other side of where the Ford GT is, and the NSX we saw earlier. Now the valet guy over there, I don't know if you could hear him, but he said that there's another Ford GT at Stake 48, which is right around the corner. So we're probably gonna hop in Drew's car and go see if that's there. And if not, we're probably gonna circle around and just hang out here until they leave. So wish us luck.
Zoomed in.
488. Have we been bamboozled by the valet guy? R8.
R8.
California. Huh. I don't know what happened in the last 30 minutes, but everything's starting to pop off. In hot pursuit of a McLaren 720S. And there it is.
720. Second one for the night. Está bien.
Everyone's recording. Holy shit.
Through my dirty windshield glass. Boring.
Okay, the valet guy lied to us. There was no second Ford GT, but we did stumble across our first Huracan of the night in a color that's not white, so it's okay. It's orange with some silver rims and orange brakes. And then we have another surprise down here. We got this sick Grigio. What's the color, Drew? Grigio Scuro. Grigio Druro F12. I think this is the best color on it. Looks so good. We've seen it a couple times before at like the Porsche meet we went to, but out in public, this thing is a beast on the streets. and a lady in the sheets. Check this out, boys and girls.
It's gold.
Dang.
Must. Not guilty.
Nothing else good. Had a white R8 with a silver side paint.
No badges. No badges. White and silver.
Oh my god, the Carrera GT just pulled up. Oh my god. Jesus. Holy shit. That is a valet lineup right there. We were just joking earlier. What if the Carrera GT comes? What? Ooh, mama. Jesus. That's insane, bro. So we got the Carrera GT, the Ford GT, the 720, and the R8. That is insane.
You gotta skedaddle.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna end it right here. This is not a bad way to end the night. We got a white Carrera GT, Justin Verlander's Ford GT, 720S, and an R8. I don't think today could have gotten any better. It started out pretty slow. I mean, it got in a lull, and then it came back strong. It's insane. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. If this doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does. So with that being said, if you like the video, please leave a like for both of these very, very rare legends. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.